Great news. Hi everybody. The new Pinch Me box came in today and I'm going to open it live. For those of you who haven't subscribed, these are free sample boxes. There will be a link to get to the post in my blog at tkkinney.com. Go to the blog, it's right on the front page, and you'll be able to find a link to get your special box for free. So let's find out what's in it. Yay, I love presents. Free presents are fun. And you just never know. So again, these are free samples, no shipping or anything required. First thing we get is a free bottle of salad dressing. There's a coupon I can use. Expires 11/2019. Now we also have a coupon, which is it? We have a coupon for real mayonnaise. Now these are full-size samples. These are coupons for free product. Don't miss out on these. Also, they send us a sample to try. Here we have Lumify. That looks like just an ad. We have a Nexcare bandage. Wow. Also, let's swipe this stuff over. We have a dinner time gift card, $60 value. There is a sample of Lumify, which is works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours from Bausch & Lomb. And that's it. But free samples, and you can't go wrong with that. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing a lot more of this stuff. And go to the blog for the link to get your own free Pinch Me box. That's all for now.